Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Let me know if y'all know that song. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nessa CX Beauty. But first, if you are returning, we do have a new background. I did move and I will have an apartment tour kind of thing situated and filmed for y'all in the future. Just know I haven't filmed in like a month, so I don't know how I'm doing so far. I don't know how I'm gonna do in this video, but today's focus is the brand new Colourpop times Disney Tinkerbell Sprinkle a Little Magic palette review, and this is the component right here. First, I want to say that she feels heavy. She feels a little bit more luxurious than their other 9-pan palettes, and it has like raised glitter, and some of the images are raised too, so I definitely like the packaging. When you open her up, there is a mirror. This palette retails for $16 and has 9 shades. This is the color story right here. You know I'm crazy about green, so I had to get it. But we're gonna do the swatches, then we're gonna do an eye demo, and I'm gonna come back with our final thoughts. So if you're interested in seeing that, just continue watching. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start off with the swatches. Going into Second Star, Small Fairy, Big Magic, Tink, Neverland. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Let me know if y'all know that song. Sleep, Place Between, and last but not least, Awake. So this is the entire palette swatched out. The color story definitely called my name because I am all about the greens. So we're just gonna go into the eye demo now. Let me know what y'all think. Hello, we are back and the eyes are primed. I used my P. Louise eye base in the shade Rumor 02, and we're ready to apply this eyeshadow. The first shade we're going to use is Big Magic with my Morphe JS5 brush, and we're just going to blend this all over our crease using this as a transition shade. This is a pink shade that has a tint of brown. It builds up beautifully, but it is very, very light. The second shade we're going to dig into is the shade Sleep, which is a bright green, and we're going to use my What's Up Beauty R104 brush to just follow along the lines that we used Big Magic. And this shade is really pretty, but it does need to be built up as well. And next up, we're going to head into the shade Awake with my What's Up Beauty R105 brush. We're just going to pack this shade onto our outer V and just blend it in just to add some depth to our eye look. And now we're just going to cut our crease. I'm going to cut my first crease on camera and the other one off of camera. I'm just using my P. Louise eye base and my Olimar packing brush. And now for the shimmers. We're going to head into Neverland with my ABH packing brush, and we're going to put this on the outer half of the lid. This was a beautiful green shimmer. And then we're going to head in with Tink with the same brush, which is a lighter shimmer. And this one took a little bit more to build up, but it was so beautiful at the end nonetheless. I do wish this was a tad bit more shiny, but you could always wet your brush and make it more, you know, vibrant. But I just choose never to wet my brushes. I like using dry brushes personally. But now I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face off of camera, and we'll be right back with final thoughts. Y'all, so we are back. The face is complete, and this is how the eyeshadow is looking. I must say I really, really, really do like the eyeshadow look. However, I wish the shimmers were a tad bit sparkly. Again, you can wet your brush and it'll probably work, but I don't wet my brushes. But I did put the shade Pixie Dust into my inner corners just to add a little pop, a little shine, and that one looks real cute. And then I did Sweep Sleep on my lower lash line, so that is just what I did off of camera. But to talk about the palette, I do think that it adds to the collection, because even when I was doing my makeup, I tried comparing it to the other green eyeshadow palettes that I have from Colourpop, and I noticed that a lot of the shades don't look too similar. And I think Colourpop did a really good job in adding new shades to this palette, a better job than usual because they usually repeat shades, and adding just a little bit more to their collection and their greens. So I think that it would be a good palette to mix and match with other green palettes from Colourpop, because these shades do not look similar. And I was like trying to see like which shades I could possibly compare, but like there just is not a shade that I could possibly compare because they all look different. But enough with that. Do I like the palette? Yes, I do. It is so cute. I think a lot of the appeal is the actual packaging, because the packaging is so gorgeous. Like, the artwork on this is ridiculous. Beautiful. The shades, they're good. They're Colourpop. I don't have like much complaints besides the shimmers, and you can easily just wet them and make them more shiny. But the color story is wonderful. The greens are wonderful. The mattes are buildable and pigmented. So I would say that this is a great purchase, especially if you are a fan of Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, that kind of stuff. I think this is a great addition to the collection. And it's something I definitely didn't expect, so I'm very happy with it. But that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.